characters or the traits are the phenotypes. Now, how do you define phenotype? Phenotypes are the visible features are called as the phenotype. Let's see here. What is phenotype and what is genotype? The second definition there. The observable or measurable characters of an individual which is the result of the genotype. And please remember, phenotype changes with time and environment. If you have paid attention to your skin color is also a phenotype. But if you are standing out in sun for a long time, environment is going to change your phenotype. Same thing. And if you start covering your body again the color would become back to normal because environment has been changed. So same way, your genes may promote you to grow taller, but if your diet is not good, if you don't have a good environment at home, obviously your height won't grow that much as it should have grown because the environment is not good. So phenotype is controlled by genotype, but it is also controlled by environment, remember, plus time also, because as we grow old, phenotype will definitely show some change. Now the next thing is genotype. What is genotype? Genetic constitution of an individual. When I say individual, it can be gamete also, it can be zygote also, that means a haploid thing or a diploid thing. So genetic constitution of an individual which remains same throughout the life. So remember, phenotype may change but genotype does not change. Now let's come to the same notes again. So if I consider that this is the gamete, this is the one chromosome of a gamete. So what is the genotype on this chromosome? The genotype can either be capital T or small t. The capital T promotes tallness and small t, I think you know these things in 10th you have learned already. Capital T is the dominant one, that's why we are representing tall as capital T and dwarf as small t. So capital T allele is the genotype of this gamete, and if this gamete carries small t, then the genotype of this gamete is going to be small t. Now accordingly the phenotypes are there. Now what happened when zygote is formed? Because we all know gametes are haploid, gametes are pure because they always carry one information. They always carry one information. They cannot carry both informations. But when it comes to a zygote or an individual like us, diplontic life cycle, so we all know that we carry every chromosome twice because one haploid set has come from father, that means sperm, and one haploid set has come from the mother or the egg. So if one chromosome is from the sperm, the other chromosome is from the mother or the ovum, then now these are called as the homologous pair of chromosomes. So now because the chromosomes are similar, so the genes present on them will also be similar, and that means the position they occupy is also going to be similar. Now what is possible? Imagine a gamete carrying capital T is fertilized with a one which is also carrying, that means from the mother side comes capital T, from the father side comes capital T, then it will be a homozygous situation. So what is homozygous? Let's again read from the note. An individual in which the members of the pair of alleles of a character are similar. So the members of the pair of alleles for a character, which character? Height character. If both the members or both the alleles are same, it is called as homozygous. If they are different, they are called as heterozygous. So genotypes can be homozygous or heterozygous, but remember for gamete it is always pure or single genotype because gametes don't carry combinations. So homozygous situation can be of two type again, dominant and recessive. So homozygous can be capital T or small t. When it is capital T, it is going to be a tall one or dominant trait, and if it is small t, dwarf or the recessive trait. And if it is a heterozygous individual, that means both the alleles are dissimilar. In that case, it is going to be a tall dominant trait, but it is not homo, it is hetero. So phenotypes are controlled by the genotypes. I hope this much is clear to you.